How to fix Windows Update error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply press on the start icon. Then in the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on open. Once you're inside settings, scroll below and then tap on privacy and security. Inside here, under security, go ahead and tap on Windows Security. Now inside Windows Security, go ahead and tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Now inside here, scroll below and then simply tap on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now under here, simply you want to make sure that real-time protection is toggled off. Once you toggle it off, you'll then be able to fix your issue. If not, you want to make sure that you have turned off your antivirus if you're using one. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.